Alright guys, it's obviously the next day. The one thing that I didn't do, I don't think you can see it, but on the bottom of the bowl there, that's the bolt that holds the bowl on. In there is the injectors. Now I thought I cleaned the injectors. I don't think I did. I thought, but I don't think I did. Anyway, I had to put this away last night because we got downpoured. I mean, we got a ton of rain last night. Have a look at this. This is what we got. Look at all that water. It's because the drain is plugged up. So we got downpoured last night, and it rained 25 millimeters, they said, overnight. And we're expecting a little bit more this morning. But I want to try and get this done. Not so I can cut the grass, just so I don't have it sitting here half done. So I got to pull that bolt back out, because if you remember, the crud that was in the bottom of the bowl is probably getting into the holes. That's the injector, and plugging it up. At least that's what we're hoping. I'm going to try not to dump gas all over the place. I don't know if you can see it, but right in there, a small hole. Hopefully you can see that. That small hole, that's the injector. There's one on both sides, and the fuel comes up the middle. So I got to find something small to try and clean that out with. So I stuck a small piece of wire through these holes here, come right out the other side. So it's clean. And I took some brake clean, sprayed it down the center hole, and it came out both holes on the bottom. So we're clean there. Put this back together and see if that's our problem. Let's see if this fixed our problem. Well, there you have it, guys. I did not check that bolt. My fault. It would have been a whole lot easier to do when I had it off. Those are just a couple of things you can check when your lawnmower will start, then stall, start, then stall. It starts after you prime it all the time. That's only because there's gas being pushed up into the carburetor. I only cleaned that yesterday. But the fact that I didn't clean it yesterday actually saved me from cutting the grass yesterday, but I gotta do it today if the weather holds out. I hope you all learned something from that. A few different things to check. Saved myself a hefty repair bill, that's for sure, because y'all know I'm cheap. Anyway, I gotta get some grass to cut. If it dries